Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn a new Canva trick that everybody is going to love. Firstly, let's go to Canva. Now let's choose an Instagram post video and start with a blank Canva. Next, let's go to text and choose something that you want to write. Let's say we would write Bagicha herbs, the brand I'm working with currently. Now let's go and drag this across the screen to make this bigger as much as possible. Now again, let's copy the text and paste it here. Now let's go back to effect and make the second one and choose hollow. And now let's go to color and choose white. And now place this on the top of the word. Then let's go to element, choose write down paint cloud motion, go to videos. Now let's choose this template, color, any color you would want to choose. Now let's go to edit video and remove the background. Now let's go to layers and show layers. Make sure the layer is between them to get this really cool effect. Thank you, and subscribe and like for more such hacks.